Hey, what's up guys? My name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the latest model from OpenAI, that is OpenAI o1 preview. Now this is a game changer and this actually is going to impact a lot more industries than we initially imagined. So I'm going to focus on the applications of OpenAI o1 model for marketing, specifically in digital marketing, because as I said, it has a lot more capability in terms of reasoning, thinking, and crunching a lot more data and providing much more customized insights. So I'm going to go through a couple of use cases, and I have actually prepared a demo to show you the true powers of o1 model. So the first application is super smart content generation. Now again, as you know that since the time large language model has been launched, we all know that content generation has been a commodity, right? And with OpenAI o1, what happens is you can actually now take feedback and do advanced reasoning in terms of like sharing the output of, let's say, GPT-4 content back into o1 to almost do a proofreading type of analysis. Now that's why you can use this for more human, more personalized, more engaging articles, rather than just giving a prompt and then taking the output from GPT-4 as is and publishing on your website. So I think with o1 you're inching more closer towards sounding like a human. That's the true power of super smart content generation. Now the part where I really like is how it breaks down the thinking for creating the content. The next one is social media. Now again, as I said, you are able to create super smart blog posts, but even with social media you can now be more clever and provide platform specific posts that resonates with your followers. LinkedIn is getting crowded with a lot more AI content, but I think pretty soon people will start using o1 models to at least write more personalized and more better resonating content. So that's social media, right? The next one is again SEO optimization. Now this is where I have the demo prepared. What I have done is I want to show you the true power of how you can use o1 models to create like content and tools and calculators that are beyond text-based assets. So what I've done is I've created a Replit. It's basically an online code base, and I have asked ChatGPT o1, actually this one, yeah, I've asked o1 to write a simple single page app that takes in 3 keywords as an input and then provide a long tail keyword ideas as output. Now you must have used SEMrush, Ahrefs and other tools, and that's fine, but let's say you want to quickly build an app that takes an input and then provides an output that's interactive. In like before, you will have to probably engage with a software developer, but now you can easily create those small scale apps using just o1. So based on this, look at how o1 is actually thinking it. It's crafting a single page app, it's generating the ideas, it's building the form, breaking down the solution, and then crafting the app. Now long story short, this is how the app looks like. All I have done is I've created 3 files. o1 gave me the code for each of them, and look how amazing this is. So I'm just gonna give like maybe 3 keywords like on page SEO, off page SEO, technical SEO. These are the 3 keywords I gave. I hit generate and look at that. It's giving me long tail keyword ideas and also a recommended blog post. Now that's the true power of building interactive applications for digital marketing, but it goes beyond digital marketing. It can be applicable for any business. Now of course you can make this even more intelligent by making an API call, doing some keyword research in terms of volume, and then prioritizing or sorting it based on keyword volume. So essentially you're building a clone of SEMrush or Ahref, all using O1. That's the true power of the new model. All right, content optimization. Again, what you can do is you can probably paste in old content, which is a fantastic strategy, and you can ask O1 to give some unique perspective based on its latest information, and maybe provide some insights in terms of what sections needs to be removed, what sections needs to be updated, so that you have the latest content. It's almost like a content refresh strategy. The third area is competitor analysis. This is where you can provide a lot more deeper, you can get a lot more deeper insights in your competitor strategy. You can provide a bunch of keywords, you can provide like a bunch of, documents. It can be your competitor's profile, so many other details, and then ask O1 to do a thorough analysis and generate an output. The other area is personalized customer experiences. Again, one of the areas is O1 can study like customer interactions and preferences to build detailed profile. A lot of times when you want to launch a new campaign, you want to understand your profile, you want to create a persona, and you can do this first using O1, right? O1 can act like an analyst, a strategist, an architect, and it can almost create a plan of action, right? And that can be considered as an input for your next step. Create targeted content. Again, I spoke about social media. We spoke about blogs, but you can also use it for email campaigns. And then finally, it can help with boosting engagement. This can be trying to figure out like what products to promote at what time for what type of audience, so that way you are maximizing your conversion rate. Advanced market analysis. This is where O1 can truly shine. Like for example, trend prediction, forecasting like upcoming market trends, identifying emerging opportunities. You can use it for competitor analysis, as I said. Customer insights will be another one. You can predict like future buying behaviors. So one thing that can be truly helpful is you can provide like historical sales of your Shopify store if you are an e-commerce brand, including the products, the customer type, and the product category. It can probably identify the seasonality of those products and predict the future buying behavior. Of course, one of the areas is it can support building chatbots. Now, GPT-4 is fantastic, where you can make an open API call and you can use that model to build powerful chatbots, and the information can be grounded using your enterprise data. But with O1, if there is a tricky question, like let's say customer is facing certain issues, O1 can probably ask more details. It can think properly, it can reason, and then craft a much more helpful response for an open-ended question, right? For a closed-ended question like what's my order status, GPT-4 is fine. But for a tricky question where you're solving a challenge, that's when you can take advantage of this new model. Multilingual support and performance analytics, those are some other areas that O1 can shine. And finally, data-driven decision making. This is going to be super helpful because a lot of data gets generated through Google ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads. So O1 can be your campaign analyst. It can be your finance analyst, where it can figure out budget allocation based on which channel is performing well. As we already spoke, it can do performance forecasting, real-time optimization, and so on and so forth. And finally, some predictive areas that can be truly helpful is pattern recognition, predictive modeling, and proactive strategies. So these are all like tried and tested ways in which O1 can be useful, because you must have already seen a bunch of applications of, hey, O1 can create an app, O1 can take in a document as an input and become a business analyst. So there are so many other ways, right? And then finally, I want to show you one interesting, prompt which I just used for O1. This is about creating a digital marketing strategy to launch a new LinkedIn ad campaign that targets startups and founders. I want to generate leads for my SaaS product that provides customized AI insights based on enterprise data. This product will help uncover new target markets, customer segments, and make it easier for startup to build traction, right? Now, look at this breakdown. It's crafting a strategy, it's mapping out the strategy, crafting ad strategies, it's figuring out the KPIs, spotlighting campaign targets, crafting a compelling value proposition, crafting engaging ad strategies, refining the audience, leveraging LinkedIn, budget allocation. Like it's a massive thought process where it has literally broken down the entire assignment into chunks, and then it's executing on each of them. And look at this. The output is it has a detailed campaign objective, target audience, including profile, pain points, and motivations, value proposition, including ad content, targeting options, lead generation mechanisms. It's saying that you should use LinkedIn lead gen form. That's fantastic. It's also saying that you can utilize high converting landing page, budget and bidding. It's also recommending A/B testing, monitoring. It's also saying that you need to leverage retargeting, which is awesome. And while you're doing this, ensure compliance and a process of following up with those leads for lead nurturing. It's taking into consideration that once you get a lead, integrate with CRM and marketing automation, expand reach with thought leadership, which is organic LinkedIn, and next steps. Wow. Now, I can almost guarantee you that GPT-4 will not provide you this kind of response, but O1 can. So that's pretty much it, guys, in terms of how O1 is going to be a game changer. I just wanted to show you some highlights of how O1 can be useful for marketing, digital marketing, advertising, SEO, and I hope this video can spark some creativity and give you some ideas. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you.